batch of it, aren't we?
That was just a little tease.
Yeah, a little tease. Yeah.
Pretty heavy rainfall from this system, so the front's kind of slow to move eastward. We have an area of low pressure, add a little more energy to the rainfall, so it's going to get really heavy tonight, more widespread, and even tomorrow. And tomorrow, by the way, is the autumnal equinox. This is our last full day of summer. And then when you factor in the winds are going to pick up, it might look like it's okay out there in the water right now, but get ready because at times tomorrow we'll have 4 to 7 footers, up to 9 feet possible. Some gale warnings have been issued across the western basin, so obviously tomorrow just not a good time to be in the water whatsoever, not even safe whatsoever. So here's how it looks. Again, those wave heights 4 to 7 feet, up to 9 feet. Water temperature still low 70s for now, but with these cooler temperatures starting to take over northeast Ohio the next several days, it's going to allow those water temperatures to slowly meander a little bit lower and lower. So look at today's high, 75. The low 69, so not a huge disparity between the high versus low. Normal 74 and 55 records, 92 from 2017. Sunrise 7:15, sunset 7:24. Weather story, here's how it goes. Last day of summer, the autumnal equinox tomorrow. 1 to 3 inches of rain for most of us by tomorrow evening, but to the west there is a possibility of more than 4 inches of rain in some areas, especially the closer you are toward the Toledo area and north and west from there. Much cooler air then fills right back in, and then a fallish weekend is left behind. But hey, I mean, it's gonna be fall anyway. It might as well feel like fall, I guess. So the calendar is catching up in the temperatures with what's supposed to be about this time of year. Overnight tonight, we increase the chances of rain to nearly 80 to 100% throughout the day tomorrow. And it's not just that it's light rain, it is heavy at times tomorrow. I mean, it'll be tough driving, hydroplaning concern. Slow down, take it easy. A lot of ponding in the roadways expected, especially west. And 69 currently in Cleveland, 69 for Akron, Canton. We have a 71 Lorain, low 70s in Toledo. Winds are not too bad right now. They're coming up from the south around 5 to 10, but they are expected to gust between 25 and 35 with the highest gusts north and west tomorrow afternoon, a lot less east. Notice the difference too. The wind barbs driving in from the north to the west. On the other side, coming in from the south. So it's kind of wrapping in where the front is located, directly behind it, dragging in some cooler temperatures, some drier air eventually. But we're going to have wraparound showers continuing tomorrow night and even through the day on Thursday. Thankfully, by Friday for football, yes, we're going to have dry weather, but I'm sure there'll still be some wet spots in that grass with all this rain we're going to get. So there's some very light shower activity right now. Easy to take that, but it's the heavy rain that's going to follow overnight tonight and develop through tomorrow morning, through mid-afternoon, through tomorrow evening, and then it becomes a little more scattered and spotty, but still showers wrapping around all the way through Thursday. So because of the heavy rain expected west, Erie and Huron County and points west under a flood watch tonight through 8 o'clock Thursday morning. Wind advisories for our western counties near the lakeshore too, and those gusts could easily be 25 to 35 plus miles an hour. So look how it starts to come together overnight tonight. Very heavy rainfall, especially west of 71 by tomorrow morning. Then it starts to move into our eastern counties throughout the middle part of the day. Then the curling around the tightly spun area, the vortex of the low, continues to bring about scattered showers tomorrow night. All day Thursday, a huge bowl of clouds just kind of hanging tough across the Buckeye State. By Friday, it's back to sunshine. Generally speaking, Hopkins could have about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. A lot heavier west. We're talking 1, 2, 3, 4 inches of rain. Areas east, inch, maybe even less for areas south and east. Rainfall FUTURECAST looking basically just the next 5 days, but we'll show you the breakdown, is nearly a 100% chance of rain tomorrow. You'll know why. We'll all know why. Scattered showers continue wrapping around on Thursday. Very cool Thursday too. May only get into the upper 50s category for highs by Friday, sunshine. And then by the time we approach the weekend, pick days naturally Sunday. Good for the Browns game. Saturday, a little Clipper-like system going to bring about at least a few spotty showers. So for tonight, upper 50s to mid 60s, rain over spreading northeast Ohio. Heavy at times, winds start to really ramp up too. Tomorrow, just a rainy old day, upper 60s, so temperatures don't really change much north and west. Low to mid 70s south and east for a bit. Gusty winds, and eventually it drags in some cooler temperatures. Here's a look at your 8-day forecast. We go from those 70s today to the 60s tomorrow, and then upper 50s to near 60 on Thursday. Beautiful day though on Friday. A few more showers left on Saturday for any fall festival activity, or say a Halloween weekend. Just beware of that. Otherwise, Sunday looking good for the Browns game. Sunshine. low 70s, and a little warm-up as we head into next week. Tracy and Lou.
All right, Melissa, thank you. A girl murdered her fiancé, on the run still ahead. The latest in the investigation into Gabby Petito's death and what her family calls their first red flag. Something was terribly wrong.
It's a huge shift from thinking that our phones are protected to not at all.
Well, here we go again on this. A warning about a new phone hack that can steal your info without you doing a thing. How to stop this malicious software from attacking your phone.